welcome back to Lolalu07 channel where you can enjoy sewing, fashion styling, DIY fashion project and practice sustainable fashions. Subscribe to my channel so you can see more of it. This is Lola, and in today's episode, let's see how I turn towels into one of my favorite anime DIY tank top. I actually sew this project to give it to my boyfriend. Stay tuned in the end of this video to see how he's gonna wear it. Let's start with checking what we have in hand, shall we? I have about 10 anime towels. I got it in a thrift shop. The material is non-stretchy and they got such a cool anime pattern with them. As my boyfriend is a fan of anime, I think this could be the perfect gift for him. I start by measuring the size of my boyfriend tank top. How many towels to be combined to make one side of the top? So it's about 3 pieces of my towels. Yes, the length of the top is not following the actual top, but never mind, let him try to wear something cropped. Who knows, it might be a hit. Who knows, people gonna love his belly button. After deciding the arrangement of the towel pattern, I sew 3 towels right side together, and to make the top more dramatic, I decide to have the seam display because the edge of my towels were beautifully overlocked. Also, I decided to keep the tag of the towels. Ta-da! I'm done for the front fabric combinations. Next, draw the shape of the actual pattern by following the shape of the simple tank top. As my fabric is non-stretchy and I know how huge the shoulder of the model is, so I actually draw the patterns slightly bigger than the simple top. My bad, the neckline I just draw is for the back. For the front neck, draw a deeper curve. Next, cut out the pattern. I cut out about 3 cm more of the seam allowance from the drawn pattern. Based on the front pattern, do the same thing with the back pattern. Ta-da! We have 2 patterns of the top. From here, let's cut out the neck pattern. As mentioned, the front neck is deeper to ensure your boyfriend will not be suffocated just because of your love. Just kidding. Now let's overlock the neckline. As I decide to make the overlooking seam my main seam, I need to make sure the overlooking seam look pretty, so when people look at the top, they think it's actually intentional instead of thinking, I don't know how to sew. I use the overlooking sewing foot to make my life easier. I test out some seam size first, then only I decide which one look nice on this top, so I go with this. Okay, so this is how the neckline looks like. I mean, not too pretty, but acceptable. And also, I don't think he's gonna mind. Now let's sew 2 patterns of the top, right side together. Before you sew, you can align the patterns and cut out any extra or unnecessary fabric. My bad, yo. I was too cautious and left more fabric than I needed, so I gotta clear it now. This is the consequences of sewing without a proper plan and proper patterns, but it's fine, I don't mind. I used the same seam designs as the neckline as I think it looked synced. Also, I feel like it's gonna secure this kind of material better comparing to the straight seams. And this is the final look. Now when I look at the result video of him, right? Do you think he look a bit not so grateful? Damn. He has such a nice and caring girlfriend who actually sew him a shirt and he looked like this? He should be teary by now. Just kidding. I told him not to smile to look cool though, but yeah, you can hide your true self. He just exposed himself in the end. To make up for the boring video of my boyfriend, you can look at me wearing it. I actually like this top a lot, and just FYI, after this project, I use it a lot to travel because it's too comfy and unique. Yeah, there's some more towels left, so I decided to use them to make myself a matching anime simple crop top. Sorry, this top I made out of boredom, so I did not record it. I tried to style these two tops in some more ways so I can use them more often. And here is the bonus video of me wearing the extra anime top I made for myself and went to Cameron Highlands and Ipoh in Malaysia. Overall, this project is ideal for a beginner and you can actually sew it overnight. And you can have something new to wear for your trip in the morning. Thank you guys for watching my sewing project until now. Please, if you enjoyed this much, give the channel a follow so you can watch more of it. And do follow me on other social medias for more fashion contents. I'll leave them in my video description, okay? Thank you guys again. I hope you have a nice day. Love ya. Bye.